Now, I started Amazon at KDP back in the middle of June 2020 and I got my first sales after a few days. However, I would not use those same strategies now, but I have come up with the easiest way for you to get your first sales. So check out this video. Just before we get started, if you are needing any other help with KDP, then definitely check out the other videos of my channel and like and subscribe for more content. Now, as a beginner on KDP, your first couple months can be the most frustrating experience. As you are trying something new, you don't really know who to listen to, and you may have already created many books with low or no sales, and this can leave you feeling demotivated. The biggest issue I've found as a beginner is not creating what is in demand. So it is important to get out the mindset of creating what looks good to you and just focus on what the customer is looking for. Secondly, most people struggle with, once that they have found what is in demand, they find that it's saturated and has a lot of competition. So to combat these 2 points that I've talked about, I'm going to be showing you an easy strategy to overcome this. Just before we get started, make sure that you download the KDP/Amazon BSR keyword research SEO tool by self-publishing Titans. What this will do is allow you to see the bestsellers rank, see what format the book is, so for example paperback, and also when the book has been created, which will be very useful for this strategy. Now, to start this off, what we're going to need to do is go to amazon.com, then type in your niche. And for this example, we're going to use logbook. Then make sure that we select books and click search. Now we are going to use the side menu with a few options. And first we click last 30 days. And this will show you the most recent books that have been added. Then we will filter by customer reviews 4 stars and up, and this will show you the most quality books that have been selling very recently in the last 30 days. And then finally, what we want to do is filter the format by paperback, just so we won't see any Kindle, spiral bound or hard cover books, and mostly KDP related books. You can see that the amount of results is much lower in the left hand corner, and you are only seeing the most recent selling books in the last 30 days. They have positive reviews, which means the books are quality, but not too many reviews that you can't compete with them. And the majority of books will be independently published. Now it's up to you to take a look through the books, their BSRs, covers, and do further research into the niches that you find, but also don't discredit the higher BSRs. Those books are still selling, but you will need to create more of them. Don't limit this strategy to the US market, but also take a look at the UK and Canada market for more niches. I hope this has been helpful to uncover in-demand and less saturated niches. And if you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments.